checking a subscriber's request, and the name of the song is Mockingbird by Eminem. And yeah, this song I know. Like I said, if you have watched one of the videos, I think I explained that one of the first album I bought from Eminem, to say that I have an album that I bought myself, was called Encore, and that's one of the anthems to my life growing up. That album, I used to listen to it like crazy. So yeah, and there was this other girl also in my hood who had the album, and she also, I think we became not really friends, but we became acquainted because of Eminem, and we used to have listening sessions together, you know, just go to her place and just, yeah, put that cassette and blast it on speakers. Yeah, and I could remember that she could really rap each and every song. I think she listened to the album more than I did, because she could rap, like she knew all the Eminem verses, and that was cool. Growing up, that was cool. She could just spit those Eminem bars. And yeah, so yeah, this brings back memories. I've never watched the video though. This is my first time checking out the video, but I know the song, so this should be interesting. I'm really looking forward to this. So I hope you're gonna enjoy my reaction to the video and to the song. It's gonna be a nice throwback for me. And yeah, let's enjoy this Eminem Mockingbird.
Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but
this was when Haley was introduced to me personally by Eminem. I think this is the first time I became aware that Eminem has a daughter, and the daughter is Haley. And I guess this is Haley when she was young. That's serious.
Daddy always tell me, straighten up, little soldier. Stiffen up that other bit. What you crying about? You got me? Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry.
She looks like Eminem on this video. On this picture. When she was young, look at the eyes, especially this part. That's crazy. I guess that's one of the reasons why Eminem loved Haley so much, because she looked like him.
It's with you in your prayers, no more crying, wipe them tears. Daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' hold together through it, we gon' do it. Ain't the uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it. What we got in this world, when it spins, when it swirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls looking puzzled in their days. I know it's confusing.
That's cute, man. So I'm guessing that's the other daughter. I'm not sure if she's adopted or it's the first daughter from Kim. I'm not sure. Maybe you guys can explain that to me.
Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the...
Wow, I haven't seen Kim in years. So that's how she looked.
I try to do that, the more it backfires on me. All the things growing up as daddy had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way, your mother and me. But things have got so bad between us, I don't see us ever being together ever again, like we used to be when we was teenagers. But then of course...
That's a cute picture. I think Eminem really loved Kim. I'm not sure what went wrong there. I know that he really loved Kim. Like first love type of love. Sad, man. Sad that it had to end.
Thing always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be, but it's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go.
Even then, Eminem was not together with Kim. Wow. Sure.
Maybe one day we'll wake up and this will all just be a dream. Now, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told you, daddy's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, but we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy.
I would like, Kim looked cool. She looked like one of those regular chicks, just cool, you know, down to earth and just being herself, you know, not trying to be a social media what. These chicks nowadays, man, they just living a dream. They're living a fantasy. Like, they're living in Inception. I'm telling you, even guys are the same. Guys and chicks, people are living lives that are not for them, or lives that they don't have. They're just imitating. They're just being fake. And when I watch old videos like this, it just shows you how life was before the internet, before digital media, before smartphones. You know, it was just pure, real. Yeah, even the music was.
Baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back one year when daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree and said some of them were from me, cause daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas. I sat up the whole night crying, cause daddy felt like a bum. See, daddy had a job, but his job was to keep the food on the table for you and mom. And at the time, every house that we lived in either kept getting broken into and robbed or shot up on the block. And your mom was saving money for you in a jar, trying to start.
Yo, I don't know how many times my house has been robbed, bro. That's one of the most traumatic experiences as a kid you can really go through. I'm talking about a boy now, not really a young kid. Like I'm talking about like you are a kid around about your 8, 10, 11, because you're quite aware what's happening and you are in tune with all the the illegal stuff that's happening in the hood. You know, when they break into your house, irrespective if you guys were there or not, it's traumatic. My house has been broken into, I think, 4 times. 4 times when I was a kid, and that really used to hit me hard. It was really not nice, not a cool thing, you know, to know that someone came into your private space and took, like, and just did whatever that they wanted, and then they left. Like, that's crazy to me, man. So, yeah. So, yeah, I felt that. And then they steal everything, and then you have to start from scratch again. I remember one of the first things that broke my heart, what they stole, because we just had it, was the cassette, the video cassettes. You know those machines? I don't know how to VCRs. You know the VCRs. Man, they took the VCRs. I think we only had the VCRs for like not more than 3 months, and they already came in and they broke into the house and they took the VCR, bro. I was heartbroken when that happened. I couldn't watch my favorite movies for almost 2 years because we were that poor. My parents had to save. Yeah, there was just too much happening that it was not a necessity to have a VCR at that time. So, hey, yeah, man, this track just bring back some memories now. But hey, look at me now, and who were them dudes who committed such crimes? They are in jail or dead.
You said you could go to college, almost had $1,000 till someone broke in and stole it. And I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart. And it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and dad was arguing a lot, so mama moved back on the Chalmers in a flat 1-bedroom apartment, and dad moved back to the other side of 8 Mile on Novara. And that's when daddy went to California with his CD and met Dr. Dre. Flew you and mama out to see me, but daddy had to work. You and mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing daddy on the TV, and mama didn't like it, and you and Lane were too young to understand it. Papa was a Rolling Stone, mama developed a habit, and it all happened too fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm just sorry you were there and had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just screaming.
Yeah, that's one thing that that is really unfortunate about fame. It takes you away from your loved ones, and it either builds them, right? It's either strengthen your relationship together as a family, or it breaks it completely.
Looking at your baby pictures, it just trips me out to see how much you both have grown. It's almost like your sisters now. Wow, I guess you pretty much are. And daddy's still here. Landy, I'm talking to you too. Daddy's still here. I like the sound of that chair. It's got a ring to it, don't it? Shh, mama's only gone for the moment. Now, hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up a lip up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold ya through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, but we don't know.
That's genuine love right there, you know. Yeah, that's
We
just.
feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you. Just keep smiling. And if the mockingbird don't sing and that ring don't shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I go back to the jeweler who sold it to ya and make him meet every carat of you and dad.
Yo, that was a good throwback, man. I really enjoyed that song. You know, it was good to listen to it again. It just brought back some memories there. And to watch the video for the first time, it was a beautiful video. And I I mean, the song itself, without even watching the video, you can picture what was going through. It felt like I've watched the video before, but I just listened to the song because Eminem storytelling in this song is amazing.